Welcome to our video on developing a winning trading strategy and finding a forex prop trading firm. Trading in the financial markets can be a challenging and rewarding experience, but to be successful, you need a solid trading strategy and a reliable trading firm to work with. In this video, we'll take you through the process of developing a winning strategy and finding a forex prop trading firm that aligns with your goals. The first step in developing a winning trading strategy is to understand the markets you'll be trading in. Whether you're trading forex, stocks, or commodities, you need to have a solid understanding of the market fundamentals and the factors that affect price movements. This means keeping up with the latest news and data releases, and analyzing charts and technical indicators to identify trends and patterns. Once you have a good understanding of the market, you can start developing your trading strategy. A successful trading strategy needs to take into account your risk tolerance, trading style, and market conditions. You need to decide what kind of trader you want to be, whether you prefer short-term or long-term trades, and how much risk you're willing to take on. Another important element of developing a successful trading strategy is risk management. This involves setting stop-loss orders to limit your losses, as well as setting profit targets to take profits when the market moves in your favor. It's important to have a solid risk management plan in place to protect your capital and ensure you don't lose more than you can afford. Once you've developed your trading strategy, you need to find a forex prop trading firm that aligns with your goals. A prop trading firm is a company that provides traders with access to capital and trading platforms in exchange for a share of the profits. When choosing a prop trading firm, you need to consider factors such as the firm's trading rules, fees and commissions, and the level of support and training they provide. Thank you for watching our video on developing a winning trading strategy and finding a forex prop trading firm. We hope you found the information useful and that it will help you become a successful trader. Remember, developing a winning trading strategy takes time and effort, but with the right approach and the right trading firm, you can achieve your goals and succeed in the financial markets.